Hello, my name is Leo. Today I will be teaching you how to solve a Rubik's Cube. First, we need to scramble it. There. Now, we find a centerpiece. But before we begin, I need to teach you about the pieces. The piece in the middle is called a centerpiece. The piece on the sides are called edge pieces that have two faces. The piece on the corner is called a corner piece and has three faces. So, first, we need to make an X, a cross shape. For a cross shape is the first step to solve the Rubik's Cube. I will be using the white side, and to determine what side we're using, we look at the centerpiece. So this is the white side. Now, I need to find all four edge pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once we found all four edge pieces, we connect it to this centerpiece. Also, for the four centerpieces around it, 1, 2, 3, 4, we also need to connect the other side of the edge piece to that. So, we bring this edge piece up. The white connects, the blue connects. Then, we need to get this to here. Turn, up, back. White connect, red connect. Next, we get this piece to here because of its green spot. It matches. So we shift it away, bring it down, bring it here, and bring it back up. Connected, connected, connected. Next, we need to find the last edge piece. Right here. So, we bring it down, put it here, and bring it back up. Now we completed the cross shape. And as well, for all four sides, we have connected the right color. Next, we need to find the four corner pieces. And also, we need to match up for its right color. For example, let's say this corner piece. This is the white side, green and orange. So it goes here because the two edge pieces beside it are green and orange. So we bring this down over here, up, here, turn it 2 times, here, turn it 2 times, down, insert it, then up. Then we got it to the right spot. It doesn't seem as complicated as it looks. If the edge piece is here, we just bring it down over here and put it back up. Now it's here. If it's here, we move it aside, bring it down. No, we move it aside, bring it down, put it together, bring it up. Same with this one. If the piece is right here, for example, this, to insert it, we bring this down, flip it 2 times, bring this up. So now all we have to do is to turn it 2 times, bring it down, connect it, and put it up. Now we have completed the first step. Now we have completed the first layer. Next, we need to do the second layer. So, we look for a piece on the top side that does not have the color yellow. Once we find that, for example, this piece does not have the color yellow on it, we bring it to the right color. So this is blue, so we bring it to the blue side. To determine whether it's supposed to go here or here, we look at the second color. If it's orange, it goes here. If it's red, it goes here. So since orange is on the left of blue, we do this algorithm. U L prime, U prime, L prime, U L, U prime, U F, U prime, F prime. And the piece got where it's supposed to be. Next, we have to find another edge piece. There's no yellow on it. We match the color, and green is on this side, so we bring it here. U prime, O prime, U L, U F, U prime, F prime. There, we inserted it. Next, we find another one here. So we simply do the algorithm again. U prime, L prime, U L, U F, U prime, F prime. Now we have to insert this piece to here. So U R U prime R prime U F prime U prime F. And we completed the second layer. Next, for the third layer. First, we have to look at the top pieces that have yellow on them. Right now, there are 3. For right now, we do not care about the edge corner pieces, only care about the edge pieces. If it has a dot, we do this algorithm. F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. And now we got the L shape. Or L shape, yeah. Or backwards L shape. And we repeat the algorithm. U, F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. Now we have the line shape. Repeat the algorithm. F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F. Now we have got to the cross shape. Remember, we do not care about the corner pieces. Now is the time, after we get the cross, we care about them. If the shape is like this, we turn it like this. So if the shape is like this, we just do this algorithm. U, R prime, U, R, U to R prime. If it doesn't get to cross with only one of the corner pieces yellow, then you keep on repeating the algorithm. R, U, R prime, U, R, U to R prime. Then we continue. R, U, R prime, U, R, U to R prime. Until we have the cross with one of the corners yellow facing on top. Then we turn it until it's on the left. The corner is on the left and is the one closer to you. Not here, 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 here. So we do this algorithm again. R, U, R prime, U, R, U to R prime. Again, R, U, R prime, U, R, U to R prime. Then the top is solved. Now we look at the last layer. First we find one of the sides that have two or more corner pieces that are the same color on one side. Not this one, not this one, not this one, this one. If there is no piece that has more than two corners on each side, we still do this algorithm. And then there will be one. So, first we match up the color. Then we do this algorithm and face the side that has two more corner pieces that are the same color on one side, left. Now we do R, U to R prime, U prime, R, U to L prime, L prime, U, R prime, U prime, L. And then we come to the last step to solve the Rubik's Cube. So there will be one side that will be solved or not. If there's not one side to be solved, we still do this algorithm I'm about to show you. So right now, we face the side that has all of the pieces are filled in. So we face it to the back. We do this algorithm. F2, U, L, R prime, F2, R, L prime, U, F2. Now we have solved the Rubik's Cube.